What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is all about this nice Christmas theme shoot right behind us, as you can see. It is absolutely elaborate. We are here at 821 Studios in Newport, Kentucky, and I have back Hacker Mistress. Again, she's come out here to do this shoot for us. And of course, with this today, we're gonna use this 50mm 1.2 in the studio. So I'm gonna give you my exact locations of what it's gonna do with this. And that's about it. Of course, if you wanna work with Hacker, all the stuff's gonna be down in the description down below. Of course, it would've popped on the screen by now. And are you ready to get into this?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right, let me get some, actually like the way he's sitting like that, yeah. Trying to get this tree. Here's a tree, yep. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see if I can see between these trees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like how you just cross your leg. Let's let you do you. I don't why we always gotta. I don't know why I gotta feel like I gotta pose you all of a sudden. Yep, like it. Take a step over just a little bit, close to the tree. Yep, right there. So I can get a little bit more of that Merry Christmas sign in. Yep. Tell me how my work is bad.
I like it. That's actually great, the angle.
Three, like that look, hold it again, I think I missed it. 1, 2, 3. Yep, bring your eyes towards me now. Yep, look right at me. Yep. One, 2, 3, look at me when you do it, yep. Yep. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to get that window out the way this time. 1, 2, 3. Go now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can't start because I left the light over here. Hang on for a second. Yep. I'm gonna go for virtual for a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Love that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. The arm that's bent, your left arm. Yeah, kind of, yeah, thank you. It was looking kind of weird. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's kind of get you laying on the couch like you was right here. Okay. Now you're just laying down. So let me let you do that. I just had a brain fart, guys. As you can see right here, I had a brain fart. This thing has been sitting over here this whole entire time. And I just had a brain fart. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hold up. All right, this is just, now I'm at 1.2, just show y'all guys what's this 1.2 and just check out the bokeh. I'm gonna take one step forward towards me. Bingo right there. 1, 2, 3, yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. hold that position. That was really good. I just want to move this light just a tad bit closer so it can bounce off that reflector just a tad bit more, because I really like the foreground now. Since we're at f1.2, it makes this thing look a lot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Miss Hacker Gamer and I just put in for you. Again, we was downtown in Newport, Kentucky at this studio called Studio 821. Absolutely amazing place. I really advise y'all, if y'all in that local area, just come down here and book your spot, man, because this place is really awesome. Once again, we did this with the Christmas theme, and of course I did use the 51.2 this whole entire time. Like I said, I just rented that out just for this whole weekend, just do some things. So I really like using it in the studio of that nature. I really hope you enjoy those photos. So Hacker, how did you enjoy this other time coming out here doing this again?
I think this is great. I'm excited, as usual.
As usual. Like I said, this is probably our third time. Actually, it was actually our fourth time. I got a video working of our disaster of a shoot that we did. So I'm gonna put that out just to show as a lesson learned, but that is coming out. Of course, if you wanna work with all stuff, it's gonna be in the description box below. Of course, it would've popped on the screen by now. Until the next video.
Yep.
Until the next video, peace. All right, now we do that and I'll let you